There it is. Waste no time at all. What's up, gang? We're back at Kincaid. We're at the arena, and I'm still battling some of these games. We got a power supply issue on one of these computers, and one of them needs a battery. Still trying to figure out the fuse on this. This thing, the only way I can get to it was to bend the metal back there, and I'm gonna need a pry bar or something. But I got the House of the Dead moved back down here, and the only thing wrong with it was, I think, just moving it so much. Everything on the inside was all just barely plugged in, so sometimes it was working, sometimes it wasn't. The monitor in the back, same way. The VGA cable was plugged in, but it wasn't screwed down and tightened, and it was just barely on there. So it said no signal when I finally got it back down here. So that wasn't too big of a deal. I had to break into the side here. There's a key over here that is a common key, and I know I have it, but I didn't have any up here. So I had to break in through the top, and I'm gonna have to put that back together. The other thing that I've already got done was this change machine. Show you guys this. So I was having trouble getting it to vend $1 every single time, and it was doing real slow. So let me see. So I want this to be green here, and I'm gonna hit this test switch for $1. Shoots them out real fast now. And let me show you what was wrong. We're going to do this one-handed. It was just disconnected in the back. There's that round thing that's right there, and this little guy right here with the bar through it, they need to connect to stir the inside of the hopper inside there. And since it wasn't stirring it up, there were no coins getting in there, and it looked like it was empty. I'll fix that in a second. So that was really all that was wrong with that once I got it programmed. With this is a BC 3500 kit to upgrade whatever this one was before, but it needs to be green and 5 volts. And if it's on this blinking the status, they're all right here, I think. No, right here. Move that so you can see them, just in case yours are rubbed off or something. So once that's green, then you can hit $1 here to kick out 4 coins you're gonna do for the $1. This one's for coins, quarter for quarter or whatever. I'm not using the tokens, so this is like for payouts for non-dollars, and this third one is for dollars. And then this first one is for, I can't remember exactly. But one of them is, this one here is for how much you get bonus if you're paying in tokens, and I think this is for non-dollar as well. But basically this top part up here is how many coins per $1 pulse. So if you put 4, 4, and 4, all 3 will kick on. So I just have 4 on this one, and then this one, this is the same thing, it's just how many are gonna pay out for a $5 bill. If that makes any sense. If you run across one of these. But they seem to be, it seems to be a workhorse. There really wasn't much wrong with it. Just needs to be cleaned up and turned on. I got new locks, finally got that to work. I had to literally kick it to get it to set the first time. And then now it's fine. So we gotta put a new tube and then police trainer. I didn't look to see what kind of chassis it was. I was too mad that it was necked. So either find a new tube for it or complete another monitor. So it's probably gone. I mean, we have all of that stuff and I can fix it, but this one here, I might kick on here in a second. It's just rolling and stuff real bad. I know it probably needs a cap kit. It's drunk, it's fallen over, so it needs a leg leveler, at least one. And then I'm gonna start messing with the the claw machine again. The coin pusher, I do believe, is fine. So that's what I've got going so far today, and what we'll be working on the rest of the video. So stick around. 2 right here are going to be ground and 5 volt. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is. A nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted. I got what I wanted. And a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
Get what I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.